Well, here at the Itsy Farm, we call this the experimental garden because 2 years ago we just planted this and we were going to use it to try different varieties. But as it's turned out, we're using it more and more, and the deer have been eating everything we planted in it. So I've put this 6-foot high fence around it. I know that the deer can jump over that, but it's finished now. Cheryl and I have taken 2 weekends. We got a couple of PVC gates out there. I'm thinking we can keep the deer out of it. We kept it into 2 sections. Here's the north section, and right now we have crowder peas and speckled butter peas and some raspberries, black raspberries. And down here in the southern section, we've got okra and potatoes and peanuts and blackberries, and then some flowers down at the other end. We decided to make an area in between the north and the south that's wide enough that we can get the tractor in if we have to, and that's why we put the wide gates here. So here's what we've got in the experimental garden. There's a hill with 3 yellow crookneck squash. Here we have a row of Dixie butter peas, and I've got a trellis up there, and on this side of the trellis I've planted another row. It's July 5th right now, so hopefully these will be in around middle of September. And there's the lone surviving black raspberry plant. We had 2 others up there, but they didn't make it. And then over here in these 2 rows we have crowder peas, purple hull crowder peas. And there are 2 rows of those, and the deer ate those all the way to the ground. So what you see has grown back from stumps. As you can see, there's some gaps there, but there's some pretty healthy plants still remaining. And hopefully we'll get some crowder peas out of these. And if we don't, hell, it's a good cover crop. Down here on the south side we have 2 rows of jumbo Virginia peanuts. Now last year we planted these over in the other garden, and they gave us a bumper crop. And here are our 4 blackberry bushes, and we'll put a trellis up here for these. Probably put 2 more in here. And here is a row of okra. And you can see that we've used a soaker hose and we've watered these. And here is our 2 different types of potatoes, and we've got them hilled up pretty well. I don't think we can hill them any more than they're hilled right now. And you can see there's some shadow over here. It's right now about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but out there is bright sun, and pretty soon there'll be bright sun here, and it'll last till about 7 or 7:30 tonight. But it gets the morning shade and the afternoon sun, and all of these plants love the sun. And here's what it looks like with the gate closed. That gate is the same 6-foot fence wire, same wire that goes around the rest of the garden. Please don't ask me why one is bigger than the other. It's a long story and I don't feel like repeating it. But they work. I'm holding it together with a piece of electric wire, electric fence wire at the top and the bottom, and there's not anything going to get into that. But we've got this garden protected, we hope. A little breeze today.